Well, hi everyone. I just wanted to say thank you for all of the likes and the comments and everything on this last song that I did, and it just meant a ton to me. And so I really wasn't planning to do more, but my wife has kind of challenged me to do this, like a 30-day challenge. So I've got a lot of songs that I've been writing over the years that people have never even heard before. So I've got some old ones that I'll probably do, but I've got a lot of new ones, and so I hope this works out okay. This song that I'm going to do today is called "Born to Stand Out in the Rain," and the thing I like about it is the chorus says, "I'm going to fly away tonight. In the morning, going to ride that train somewhere where I can see the light." And I was just thinking about this coronavirus thing, and about how so many of us are just in our homes, self-quarantine kind of thing. And I think, I personally think we need a way to find the light for each of us. I think for most of us, being with people, especially people we love, and just being out with others is a light to us, and that lifts us up. Or a good book, or scriptures, or whatever it may be, that I think we kind of have to look for those things sometimes. We can get in a rut, and something that will kind of lift us up. So I hope this song has some meaning to you. Telling myself that you can make it. I keep hoping something's gonna change. Every morning I wake up thinking things will be different, but everything stays the same. I'm gonna fly away tonight. Stand out in the rain. Sometimes I feel like a newborn child, like I need someone to hold my hand. I'm always reaching out to find the answers, always talking about things that I can't. Thanks for listening. See you tomorrow.